Hey everybody, today I've got a 2013 RX350 and we are going to change the rear wiper blade on it. So what you have to do is you have to get in the car, turn the key on, turn the rear wiper blade on, and then you need to cut the key off when the blade gets into this position, because this position allows you to lift the arm up high enough to where you can pop the blade off and get your new blade. And you can see how it slides in here, and there's a pin in there, and then you slide the new one in. Sometimes they're a little bit more trickier. That has to go underneath, come up, and there you go, blade is installed. So that's how you have to do these. You have to get the wiper in this angle here to get this to come up high enough, because when you're over here, you can't get it high enough. That's how you put the rear wiper blade on a 2013 Lexus RX350. It's probably the same for other years also. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that down in that corner. Please give me thumbs ups if you like my automotive videos.